Morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning this morning. We're in the salon. So, this room is a rental room, daily rental room. So, I just came in to change the codes on it. It was rented yesterday, so I came in to change the codes on it, and I'm gonna clean it out real quick and, get it ready for the next person. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. I just clean the room real quick with the other salon. See, the other salon, this is one of the rooms. This room is just a tiny room we use for daily rentals, pretty much. So any stylist out there who want to rent a room for a day, I'll put the numbers in the description. But yeah, I'll clean it up real quick and then, move on to the next. Alright, so hold on, I'm gonna put it over this side so that way that when my wipe, I can take it up. Alright, so this room never too bad. Whoever got it looked like they just did braiding. So them doing just braiding. Didn't have any mess. Just here, everywhere. Easy, quick and simple. I'm just gonna come in and wipe that wall on the side right there. It's a black wall, so anything touches it, it scuffs. So once you wipe it off with a wet cloth, it's good again. Clean the glass. I'm gonna clean the cabinet. Come back with that bleach spray and sanitize the cabinets and the chairs, and then I'm done. Alright, so I'm gonna carry this mop back. Vacuum go back. Alright guys, may I finish up on my do hard for hold the camera and hold the mop and vacuum and everything. So I'm gonna start cleaning it up real quick and then log back in. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm in the daily room and if you notice they have a little spill on the wall right here. You see those little black spots? I don't know if you could see it, yeah. See? It's got, yeah. So I'm just gonna touch it up with some touch-up paint. It's not a big deal. Every now and then they got hair coloring or some kind of chemicals, you know, on it. So it's easy to solve. Just touch it up with some paint and it's gone, you know. This normally happens close to where the wash bowls are, because that's where they deal with the color and, you know, that's where it normally splashes on. So in that area behind us, you know, normally is where so once I do it like this, it's pretty much gone. Simple fix. You know, I always have some touch-up paint, you know, ready to go. You know, I always have it ready to go, you know, just in case there's a spill or a scuff mark or something that you can't wipe off, you know, you use this touch-up paint. No big deal, you know. And normally it's over on this side, behind the wash bowl. You'll find a lot of color splash, you know. So it's all good now. So here we go, good again. So I'm gonna put this back and wash the brush out and then it'll be good to go. So this room is ready. It's ready, pretty much. I gotta come and tighten this thing. Every now and then they get loose. You know, tighten the legs on that. So this room is ready to go again. I'm gonna put the paint cover back and then wash the brush out. So if you want to stay tuned, I get that done. Guys, my lips ain't dry. Cool outside. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm done cleaned up the room, changed the cords, cleaned the bathroom, cleaned the hallways. Everything is nice and clean now. Clean the laundry room, you know, vacuum the mats. I'm gonna take this garbage out. But yeah, it's daylight now. It was nighttime when I got here. No one is here yet. None of the workers. One car over there. But came down super early this morning. Came down like 6 o'clock this morning. Then it's the 6. So yeah, that's what we do when you work on a salon or you own a salon, you know? Make sure everything is cleaned and ready to go. But yeah, it's daylight, it's not too cold outside. I go head over to the house now and I'm finished working on those doors. Remember those doors for the Peppers project? I'm gonna continue working on those. It's finished, I already extended them. I just gotta put the diamond plate on them now. So I did it to one of them last night. So I gotta cut the diamond plate for the other one and then install it, and then we should be good. So anyhow, stay tuned. I'm gonna head out of here now. This is pretty much good to go as far as the rooms. So Salon is good. It's a little bit cold in here, but it should warm up soon as they get in. Yeah, temperature is going down, so I could adjust the temperature from my phone. So I'll make adjustments if necessary. So alright, so this room is good. This is the room that we're gonna be. We had 2 daily rentals for today, so that's why, you know. Alright, so that one's good. I was just checking the monitors, make sure the monitor works. So everything works in here. It's nice and clean, ready to go. Now if this person is they're doing a daily rental, they don't need a sink, a wash bowl, so they could use this one. If they want a bigger space, they could go to this one instead. This one we had a daily rental out as well. I'm not sure if they're actually gonna come in, but we'll see. Yeah. So, all right, guys. So let me head on over here. Let me see if I could get a air freshener put in that room. So stay tuned. Me and meet at the house. Work on the doors. Sorry guys, so you can tell this is what the door looks like. So see, it's got that kick panel on the bottom of it now. See? So I'm just gonna put some strips on the edge and that'll be it. This is the other one. You see, I extended it right here. Put a piece of 2x4. Make it longer and cover it. So once I paint everything, you know, it should be fine. I'm gonna put a door scraper at the bottom of this door. It's like a door molding that seals the from here to the floor. I think they call it a door scraper. I'm gonna put that on the bottom, and it should be good. That's what it looks like from afar. So I'm gonna load them back up now. Take them back over to the restaurant. take this back down to the trailer. This right now I just use the trailer for storage, guys. I don't have enough space to put things, but I gotta clear it out soon. Yeah, I clear out the trailer soon and get it sold, you know. Let me set you up right there, so I don't want this thing to drop. If it drop, it broke. Yeah, me I look and me I make sure it not turn over. Camera not drop over, you know. Guys, would love to finish up the food trailer and get it on the road. I could have rent it out, but you know, it have service window and menu window. Would I love to get it ready, but what happens is you just need to free up space and money, you know. Spend money into it and buy a lot of things and just never start. So I need to free up some money so I can put it in a Peppers project, you know. So, and then I don't think I'm gonna use it again. Me the only answer would I use it for, for do like rentals or, you know, small events. But at this point I don't think I'm gonna AC come on. Yeah. At this point I don't think I'm gonna go back on the road with the trailer thing, you know. I used to do it before for at least one good 2 years, 3 years. I up on the road with trailer. A rough work, because you have to prep and get everything together for the events. Them sometimes the event them cancel, you know. So I think more want to take a gamble. You know, I say for go up on the road again and all of that. Hook up trailer and drive to location, set up, and it's just a gamble, you know. So I feel like maybe just let it go, part ways with it, and move on to the next thing, you know, more stable locations, you know. But So done with the door them. I go see if I can move on to the next thing on the list. So give me a few guys, I go recoup and go down my list of things that I need to do. See what I go on from here. See you in a minute.